Hi guys, today I want to show you how to compress videos. If you are a content creator or you are someone who regularly uploads videos on Facebook or YouTube, you will agree with me, or maybe you even want to have videos stored on your devices. You will agree with me that videos can occupy spaces, videos can consume a lot of data when you are uploading them. All right, so I want to show you how you can compress videos. You can compress videos from as much as 2 gig to 200 MB, or 2 gig to 100 MB, or 1 gig to 50 MB. You can compress videos without even losing considerable quality. You don't have to go to Play Store to download any app that you are going to pay for. But this tip is for people who are using laptops, people who are using PC, whether it is Mac, whether it is Linux, whether it is Windows. It is free, and a lot of big companies are actually using this method to compress their videos. If you are watching this on YouTube, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you are watching this from Facebook or any other place, please make sure you keep following for more videos. Come to terminal. If you are using Apple laptop or Apple desktop, that is MacBook or any Mac system, just open terminal. When you open terminal, go to your browser and search for Homebrew. So this Homebrew, click on the first thing you are going to see here. Click on the first thing you are going to see here. Simply copy this line of code here. It's a prompt. Simply copy it and go to your terminal and paste. Then click enter. If your laptop is locked, it will require you to enter password. So simply enter your password, and when you are entering your password, don't expect your password to show. So it's going to be invisible, and you click enter. Now you can see it said press return or enter to continue, or any other key to abort. I want to continue, so I simply hit on the enter button again. So you can see it's downloading and installing Homebrew. I've actually done this before, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I decided to uninstall and reinstall again. So for this, we're done with the installation. So the next thing I want to do is I will simply say brew install FFMPEG. So you can see it's installing FFmpeg. I'm going to confirm if the installation was successful by simply entering brew. Okay, brew was successful. Okay, let me just enter FFmpeg. I'm going to confirm once again if my installation was successful by entering brew. All right, so let me enter FFmpeg. All right. For Windows laptop users or Windows computer users, the process is also almost the same. Simply go to your search bar on your Chrome or Edge and search for Chocolatey, and the first thing you will see there, you will see Chocolatey software, and you will see install. Click on install, and then simply go to now run the following command and copy the command there. When you copy the command there, go to your Windows and search Windows PowerShell and make sure you run as administrator. When you open the Windows shell, simply paste the command that you've gotten from the Chocolatey website and hit the enter button. Now this will download the software and install it for you. What this software is about is simply a package manager for Windows, just like we saw on the Mac OS. To confirm that my installation is successful, I enter the Choco prompt. When I enter the Choco prompt, it displays the version of the software for me. And you can see when I enter FFmpeg, there is no FFmpeg installed. So I have to enter the Choco install FFmpeg. When I enter that prompt, it begins to install the FFmpeg, which is the software that we are going to use to compress our video. So the process is pretty much the same both on your Windows and on your Mac and on your Linux. Now, after the installation has been done, I'll have to put in Y, which means yes, to run the script. And I'm going to enter the FFmpeg prompt for you to see that the installation is successful. So we can also see the version of the FFmpeg that we've installed. Now, to compress a file, I'm going to use one of my files as an example. I have a file I want to compress. So this file in this folder, this file here, the size is 1.2 gigabytes, and this is the file I want to compress. The file is located on my movie folder on CapCut folder. So I will go to CD, then I'll enter movies/CapCut. I've entered this particular folder using my prompt. But to confirm if this prompt is correct, I'm simply going to use this prompt ls, and so it's showing me the videos I have in this particular folder. And now the video I want to compress is Kindle Publishing MP4. So I'm just going to copy this. I'm simply going to copy this, and here I'm going to say FFmpeg -I, then I put in the name of the video, and then I also put in the name of the results. So this means that if the video is compressed, the results file or the output file will be named Kindle Book Publishing Compressed. And after I have done this, I'm simply going to hit enter. Our video is compressed and the result is amazing. The original video is 1.2 gigabytes, while the compressed video is 158.8 MB. So you can see how amazing the compressor is. And I personally checked the file, I personally checked the video, and there was no difference in quality. Sure, you keep following for more videos, and I would like to hear your feedback on the comment section. And if you have something you would want me to talk about, maybe another tutorial or another training that you want me to talk about, please do make your recommendations on the comment section.